don't think this time until X with new cross sweating and swearing and fell. And fair. Walking in desert sun, look how best coming undone. Found that cactus looking spry in this arid piece of sky. Rain clouds rolling, can't believe. Gotta see it to receive. Waterfalls and greens the gray. Cactus blooms without delay. Cactus in the rain, what a sight to see. Dancing with the drops, so wild and free. Life is happy where we least expect. Cactus in the rain, ain't done just yet. Puddles forming on the ground, marching forward to the sound. Thunder roars and skies ignite, desert turns to sheer delight. Standing tall with thirsty roots, flowering in its finest suits. Resilient through the heat and chill, in the rain it's raining still. Once a place so dry and bare, now a garden fair and rare. Cactus stands with emerald spines, nature's wonders realigned. Cactus in the rain, what a sight to see. Dancing with the drops, so wild and free. Life is happy where we least expect. Cactus in the rain, ain't done just yet. On the ground, marching forward to the sound. Thunder roars and skies ignite, desert turns to sheer delight. Standing tall with thirsty roots, flowering in its finest suits. Resilient through the heat and chill, in the rain it's raining still. Once a place so dry and bare, now a garden fair and rare. Cactus stands with emerald spines, nature's wonders realized. Bugs and place so dry and bare, now a garden fair and rare. Cactus stands with emerald spines, nature's wonders realized. Bread rising with the sun, our morning's just begun. Toaster's broken, it won't run, but it's the little things that make it fun. Crumbs on counter like stars in space, butter melting at a frantic pace. Jam's a galaxy on your face in this messy breakfast place. Toaster dreams won't let you down, in the kitchen chaos all around. Turn the dials, make a sound, every morning magic found. Electric sparks a tiny dance, morning's a ritual by chance. In a trance, you take a stance for the breakfast done with romance. Honey's fancy silverware, when toast is made with extra care. Spread a smile everywhere, morning's glowing debonair. Honey drizzle sweetness beams, like your wildest morning dreams. Coffee steams and morning gleams, toast are forming perfect teams.